Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will talk about the how to integrate Gemini API to our backend. For that first we have to look at the uh, route folder. In that route folder we have chatroute.js file. You can see I am requiring express, then I'm using router function, then I am requiring the controller, chat controller from the main drive in a chat uh, data structure because it's returns one object. That's why I'm storing in a curly braces. This creates a post endpoint API chat. When a request comes, it it first checks the validation middleware, then calls the controller. When then we have uh, controller. Here I receive the user's question from the back front end in the request.body. It is stored in a question, and I am checking here the question is here or not. Okay, I call the Gemini function asynchronously using async await, and the server waits for the AI response before continuing. I use async await because the Gemini API request takes time and JavaScript handles it asynchronously without blocking the server. Then we have now config the where Gemini.js file are located. Instead of hard coding my API key, I store it in a .env file for securely, and I am accessing here if API key, and the backend sends a HTTP post request to Gemini API. I send the user's question inside the JSON request body. Gemini process it and return an AI generated answer. In this I got AI generated answer, and I extract the generated text from API response and return it to the controller. And we have now error handling part. Here you will see the error handling part. I use try and catch block, so that if Gemini if it fails, my server doesn't crash. Instead, it returns a error response to the front end. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.